Hello guys, so I want to make this very short video just to update you about the idea I had a few days ago on creating a new group, a new channel on Telegram for all those Aquos customers that are interested in sharing ideas, talking about their own strategies. I could share some nice indicators there. I could share, some other things, ebooks or something, to read that might be very interesting. Would be a channel where anyone can bring some value, and while trying all together to make something interesting. And if we have an idea, maybe I can, we can say, okay, this guy has this nice approach, this nice idea. The other one, maybe it's interesting this part, maybe it's interesting this other part. And all together we bring some value into the channel, and we could create a brand new strategy, and it might be ending in a brand new expert advisor, creating it all together and just sharing from ourselves. So, it's a sort of creating a group of people that would like to work together to get even better results. And that's a nice idea, I think. I think if we work together, we can achieve even better results. And of course, anyone with his knowledge and anyone with his, it would bring something, it's so I think it's a very nice idea. And what I would like to ask you is, if we do this group, if we make this new group, anyone is invited to join, of course. Any Aquos customers is invited to join. And so we will, leave the VIP channel, Aquos channel, just for Aquos related chatting. Okay, so the new members will probably need to ask some questions. So that channel we will keep that channel, of course, for all of the newcomers. And for some information purpose, for some news, for about updating news, about just communications from me, like I will not let Aquos trade tomorrow because of this news or because of this other one. And so for communication and for updating and for asking questions. So anything Aquos related will keep this channel for. And what I would like you guys is to don't leave the channel. So you will help me a little bit on answering questions when you have time, of course, when you want to. All the veterans there will help me just answering simply those questions here and there, and we just create this new channel. So it's a nice idea, and I think we can achieve something interesting.